Today I'll show you how to make Paloma Cocktail. Hi guys, my name is Istis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Paloma Cocktail is a very traditional tequila based cocktail, very well known in Mexico, and it's really very simple to make. And I'll show you three versions how you can enjoy this really summer drink. First version of our Paloma today is very simple. It's very traditional recipe. I didn't change anything much there, or maybe nothing at all. I don't know, because I don't know which is the true traditional Paloma recipe. But this cocktail is very simple because it consists basically just of two ingredients. It's a good tequila and grapefruit soda. I'm going to show you a bit different version, but it's also quite traditional. For that we will need a highball glass, something similar style, and we don't even need to shake this cocktail. It's very simple. You need ice. If you have a nice ice stick like this, you can get it from Mixology ice, so it's very cool. If not, you just use the regular ice cubes. I'm putting it inside. I'm using good 100% agave tequila. I love to work with 100% agave tequila because it really tastes better, the quality is much better, and the flavor is amazing. So I'm really advising you to use only 100% agave tequila. And for this cocktail, I'm going to use 1.5 of an ounce of this Silver Herradura tequila. Actually, the proportion is very simple. It's just 1 part tequila and 2 parts of grapefruit soda. So I'm using 1.5, so I'll be using like 3 ounces of grapefruit soda. If you're using 2 ounces of tequila, so use 4 ounces of soda. It depends on the size of the glass. And this time I'm having sparkling pink grapefruit. This is a little bit more juice oriented, juice flavored sparkling drink. If you want soda, it will be sweeter, it's okay as well, but I like it a bitter and I like it more grapefruit taste. And I will put a bit, just 1/4 or even a little bit less than 1/4 of fresh lime juice. Just a bit sour balance in the cocktail. And now I'm going to top up everything with grapefruit soda. Simple as that. The color with this sparkling drink looks really great, and this ice stick looks really great in the cocktail. I won't make any fancy garnish. I'll just make it really simple, but just to have a nice detail on top of the cocktail. Peel grapefruit skin. You can make something nice from it, like that, or you can just put it like that. I'll aromatize the rim, and this time I'll make such a thing and put it in the cocktail. Our Paloma is ready. You can drink it with a straw or you can drink it without straw, but please guys, if you're using a straw, so use some environmentally friendly straws, like one of those are Pasta Life straws. They are really good, they are made from pasta, environmentally friendly, looks nice. Look, which color we should choose? Maybe this one. It comes with a grapefruit color, and Paloma is ready. Cheers! Second, our Paloma version will be with a fresh grapefruit juice, and we won't need anything fancy. Again, just a nice glass like this, like a raw glass, a bigger one, and good 100% agave tequila. I'm not going to shake, I'm just pouring everything straight into the glass. For this cocktail I will use a nice ice cube and 2 ounces of good 100% agave tequila. For this version I'm using Reposado, so a little bit aged tequila, just to be more interesting flavors in the cocktail. And I'm using 2 ounces of this tequila. Straight into the glass. And I thought to make it a bit sweeter, so I'm going to use 1/4 of an ounce or even less of agave. Not to kill all the taste with the sweetness, but just to give a nice sweeter hint. And now the hard part. We will have to squeeze fresh grapefruit juice straight into the cocktail. And it's not so easy to do because my squeezer is too small for this. And alright, let's do it. I think it's ready. I have to dry my hands. It was a bit messy. That's what I had in mind. So technically our Paloma is almost ready. Just I'll give it a nice stir because the agave is down there and I want to mix it together with all our ingredients. And I'm going to make a nice garnish. And I'll garnish this Paloma with a nice moon shape of grapefruit on the cocktail. And we can use environmentally friendly straws, or we can just save environment even more and don't use any straw at all. Another version of Paloma Cocktail. Cheers, guys! And the third version of Paloma Cocktail is gonna be my twist. My version is how I wanted to create this cocktail inspired by Paloma Cocktail, because it's already more far from our origins, but it still consists of the same ingredients, because I was thinking Paloma is tequila and grapefruit, so it's technically these two drinks. So what can I do differently? And I thought I will do cocktail in Martini glass, Martini style cocktail, and let's do it together right now. So first thing what we have to do when we're using Martini style glass is to chill the glass. And I'll spin a bit and put it aside to chill, because cocktail we'll make in the shaker. This time we're going to shake. So the first ingredient is going to be our 100% agave tequila, and for this cocktail I'm using añejo. So it's aged for a much longer time, and I wanted to make this cocktail more fancy, let's say like that. So I thought that añejo will really play well with that. So 2 ounces of this amazing tequila. Another ingredient is going to be fresh grapefruit juice. So I'm going to squeeze again, and I'm going to use 1.5 of an ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. Straight to the shaker, and I'm going to use grapefruit in one more form, so it's liqueur, and I'm going to use 1/2 of an ounce, a bit orange, cousin of grapefruit, 1 dash of Angostura orange bitter, and aqua faba. Aqua faba is chickpea water. It makes cocktail more smoother and it gives a beautiful foam. I'm going to use 1 ounce, 2/3 to 1 ounce of aqua faba. All ingredients are there. I know, love, passion and energy. Now all ingredients are there, except ice. Put in full shaker of ice and covering with another part. And now showing even more love, passion and energy to our cocktail. Alright, let's see if it's nice foam. It's shaked well. Yes, it is. You see? Beautiful foam, beautiful. Now discharging the ice and straining everything to the cocktail glass. I'm going to use fine strainer. Cocktail is in the glass, and a small detail, small garnish. I'm going to use this shape of grapefruit skin, and I'll just put it on the edge of the glass. My version, my twist, my take on Paloma is right here. Cheers guys, enjoy! Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope I inspired you to create and to taste better drinks, and tell me in the comments below which version is your favorite, which one do you think is the best, a very traditional version, the one with fresh grapefruit juice, or my take on it, like fancy, like Martini style of the cocktail of Paloma version. I would really like to know, and definitely write me your recipes of Paloma Cocktail, because I would like to experience, I would like to taste and to try even more different cocktail variations that I'm not aware and that I don't know. And thank you once more for watching this video. Please show me some support, subscribe my channel, also like this video so more people could see it and more people could get inspired to make nice drinks, to taste better drinks. And I love you very much, and I'll see you in next video.